Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics in today's AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to export your chat or save your chat. Let's see how you can do it. Here you can see there's no optionals, save or anything else. Here you can see in history as well, there are none. So what you can do is go back and go to your profile. There you can see the option of settings, tap on it. Then over here you'll see the option of export my data. This will save all your chat and you will receive an email with a link, and then your chats will be saved. You will receive an email about the link and about your AI account link, which data has been stored. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.